Hey everybody, this is KJ's World, and I'm coming back with a second video, and I wanted to do a pocket letter. And yes, there are probably a zillion pocket letter videos on here, but this is KJ's pocket letter video. Anyway, this is the baseball card holders, and you can get these at Walmart, and sometimes I hear that you can get them at the Dollar Tree. They're usually up close to the registers, but that's where they usually have like sports cards, paraphernalia things. But I mean, if you can't find them, then you could ask somebody to assist you, one of the Walmart workers, and they'll help you find it. But there's that. And for time, I cut out some squares because this one I'm going to make for myself. Because, you know, you can't make one as an example and then send it out to somebody. But I am doing one for me. And this is Let's Get Fit. And so the squares are... they give the measurement of 2.5 by 3.5 inches, but I find that the line just before the half-inch mark, which is the 2 7/16, works better to get it to slide into the pocket. And so then you, let me see, you put your paper in there. I mean, you could use a different paper, like a piece of paper in each pocket, like 9 different, cut from 9 different sheets, but I tend to use, at least on the last few that I've done, I cut from 2 sheets, but who knows, someday I might just do it from 3, 4, or 9 different sheets. It just depends on what strikes your fancy. But I'll show it to you in just a second, so you can see what it is I have done. Yeah. And this is, I chose water because sometimes I do warm water aerobics, and soil because you can exercise by walking on soil and exercise in the water. But here's my background for my Let's Get Fit pocket letter. Soil and water. And so I should have opened up the stickers, but I did not. I tried to do everything to save on time. Cutting them open. And so I will take this and put it in the middle. Let's get fit. Put that in the middle pocket. And like these dimensional ones, they get stuck. Let's see. You know, you just start by doing that. You can use all sorts of things to decorate with. You could use those little flatback jewels, the little jewels that comes with it. You could use letters. Excuse me. You can use doilies. You know, you can use all sorts of things. And I'm going to be using stickers and letters and probably some jewels. But see, I could just show you some of my progress. That's the scale down in the corner. That's the tape measure, and Let's Get Fit. You know, you just decorate each square, and then you slip it down in the pocket, Like, you can even decorate on the outside of the square, which I'm going to have to put this on the outside. This, the Eat Well arrow. Yeah. You've got this. This, drink up water, and like in the summertime, I'll put this on the water square. I have no problem getting my water quota in the summertime, not usually. My mom, she's in the hospital, so I'm a little bit distressed about it because they don't know what's going on with her, and it was sort of like a sudden type of a deal. And so I will be calling to check on her as soon as I finish with this. Exercise. I guess this is enough. You could almost, decorate a pocket letter with stickers, but I mean, you want to add some more. You might want to add some words, some initials, some names, with your alphabet stickers. You add a little note on the back. You could add goodies to the back, like if you want to put little trinkets that could fit down in the pockets, or you could also do it two-sided, like you could do squares on the back of it also, and then slip in some goodies. And so this is me starting my fitness pocket letter. And so I'm going to sign off because I don't want, to take up a whole lot of time, but I wanted to do a pocket letter video. I kind of like doing these. They're fun, they're neat. You could gear them towards a person's personality, towards things that they love. Just if you want to send them like sentiments of how you feel about them, you could gear it that way. But anyway, this is KJ signing off. Like, comment, and subscribe, share, and talk to you later. Bye.